Welcome back everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a product review. Haven't really done one of these before, so let's just roll with it. Here in my hands I have the Gooloo jump starter power bank, and basically what it does is jump starts vehicles. And comes with a cool little case, and got your jump leads right here, little cable thingy, but this is the main thing right here. Let me just put this down. You got a flashlight on it. Ooh, it's pretty bright. It also has strobe and SOS, so that's pretty cool. You have the USB ports where you could probably charge up your phone or anything like that. Say if you're camping, don't have anything to plug it into, there you go. But what I really like about it is that it's got underneath this little flap is where you would hook up the battery terminals, or the jump leads I should say. And grab it. Right here are the jump leads. Basically all you do, plug it in like so. I think you hit the power button, not too sure. You also have a little boost button too if the battery is really dead. And I'm going to be trying it out on my Nissan Xterra because I know that has a dead battery. I've dealt with it since it got cold. Everything else runs, not the Xterra. So follow me, we shall go down around back, and I'm going to put this thing to the test. Camaro's down back, M3 is behind the bay, that's put away for the winter. But here's the Xterra. Now, last time I had to move it, I had to jump start it. So let's put this power bank to the test. So hopefully it'll even unlock. All right. Locked. Yep. Nothing. All right. Pop the hood. All right, so now pop out the little rubber grommet, attach this to here. Now you know, red to positive, black to negative, all that. So we'll give it a shot. I don't know how much one jump start will drain it, but I'm going to find out right now. Also on the side here, the green light will tell you that it is connected, just in case if you don't know which way the battery terminals go. If they're wrong, it'll light up red. So right now, I'm going to turn this button on, try hitting boost, and I'll see what happens. Let's see if she'll fire up. Wow, first tried it fired right up. It seemed to have a little hesitation, but it started right up, no problem. Not bad. It says that it's still full, so I think he got a couple good jumps in this. So that's pretty cool. So
just grabbed a dead battery from inside the shop and I put it in the Camaro, and I'm going to see if it will start up a second vehicle. I'll prove to you that's dead. It won't even turn over, so let's give it a shot. Boost. Again, let's see what will happen. That's pretty good. I'm down one light. I'll show you. You see right there, there's four lights showing, and there's supposed to be 5. So basically, you have a couple jump starts in this pack before you need recharging. Alright, I'm going to try it one more time on one more vehicle, and it's going to be this Chevy Apache right here. I know its battery is probably 5 or 6 years old. Never starts. You always have to jump start it before you take it out. So let's give it a shot. I'm actually really surprised that this truck started, because all the time if you want to take it out, you have to jump start it, and then, well, it'll charge once when it's driving, but usually it's stone dead, especially in the winter time. You always have to jump start it, but I'm really impressed with this. Still have 4 little blue lights. This thing is quite impressive, and I really recommend picking one of these up. You can find them on Amazon for I think around $80. But if you have old classic cars that you don't ever really start, or if you want to keep them in the glove box or somewhere in your car for an emergency, you don't have to call AAA, because AAA can be expensive, or if you don't have jump leads. This little box right here is basically a lifesaver. I'm definitely going to be using this once when I start up more vehicles, or if I go do some revivals somewhere. It's got a dead battery, just going to hook it up, see if it'll start. And so that's that. I am definitely going to invest in one more of these, so I could have 2, one to keep in the shop and one to keep in my daily, so if anyone ever needs it, or if I ever need it, which I probably will. But I think I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe think about subscribing if you like old stuff. But yeah, you'll be seeing this jump starting a lot more vehicles in the future. So thanks for watching. See you later.